Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and somebody was asking me if there was a way to lower the amount of data Windows updates might download over the internet. The viewer is in a limited data cap every month, and some updates are pretty big. And of course, if they download to all four of his PCs, it means 4 times the amount of data for the download. Well, there is a cool thing in Windows Update that can help you manage this. It's available both in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you go into your settings and go into Windows Updates, you will go into the advanced options and you will see something called Delivery Optimization. Here, what you want is that the slider on the allow downloads from other devices has to be on. Make sure that you have this. Allow downloads from other devices. Turn it on. And you can put a little check mark. You can actually choose devices on my local network. So what does that do? What that does is that if you download Windows updates on one PC, your other devices will look at the PCs on your network to see if it can actually also get the updates from your PC that already has them. So, in fact, instead of downloading 4 times the update, which means 4 times the data, it will download it once on one PC and then start sharing it over the device between all of your PCs, as long as they're connected to the same network. So if they're all connected to your network at home, they will share the data of the update, which means there's going to be a lot less download going on, and your PCs will share the same Windows update. So this is a great way to save data. For those that wonder what it means, devices on the internet and my local network, as you see, I don't choose that option. That means your device is also becoming a device that shares Windows updates with other devices on the internet. I personally do not want to do that. The option is there because it helps Microsoft lower the amount of data and the stress on the servers when, for example, Windows updates arrive on Patch Tuesday, because your device can also be used to send Windows Update to other PCs around the world. But I don't choose that option. I choose only on my local network personally. So this is a great way to save on data every month for Windows updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.